Okay, remember what I told you. Be your own boss. Love yourself. Get up and dance. Level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today's makeup look, I am doing a day to night makeup look. So basically from this to this, that is what we have going on today. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. As usual, I don't want to waste too much time in my intros anymore. Make sure you like this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to also subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. When you do subscribe guys, don't forget to also turn on your post notification bell. With you doing that, that means you'll be getting notification as soon as a new video is up on my YouTube channel. And with that all said and done, if you guys want to see how I ended up with this look, from this again to this, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in my next one then. Bye guys. I've done my eyebrows off camera as always, and if you guys want to see how I always achieve these beautiful eyebrows, make sure you check the description bar below. I'm going to be leaving the link to my eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to start by moisturizing my lip with my Nivea lip balm. This is the original care, just to keep that lip primed and ready for later on. So I'm going to start by priming my face, and I am going back to this method that Nikki tutorial showed us way back, which is the Nivea Men Post Shade Balm in Sensitive. So for today's look guys, I'm gonna be trying a new foundation as always. I just feel like it's good to try new foundations. You never know the one that's gonna work for you. I want to be experimenting new foundations so I can show you guys and you guys can have an idea and pick the one you want. I don't want to stick to just one foundation. So today I'm going to be trying out the Illamasqua foundation. This is what it looks like right here, and this is their rich liquid foundation. That's what it's called, and beside it says it's a long lasting foundation and it gives maximum coverage. Rich liquid foundation is loved by professional makeup artists, it says. Okay, so basically what it's saying that this foundation is easy to blend and it's water resistant finish. That's what it says about this foundation. So I am using the shade RF 243. This is how it looks outside of the pack right here. This is a little bit too light. This is not my shade. It's really creamy. I'm gonna give this foundation that. It's easy to blend, really creamy. I can feel the creaminess already on my face. I'm gonna grab my beauty blender just to absorb the excess and try to make this foundation as little as possible, because I used too much. Pretty obvious, I used too much. I used more than I should have. Okay guys, do you guys feel like this foundation went a bit dark? When I applied it, it did look a bit light, didn't it guys? I don't know. Let me know what you think, if you feel like it was light for me and then went dark after blending it in. So this is the Illamasqua Rich Liquid Foundation. That's what we've used today. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I love the feel of it. It's not a very drying foundation. It's a very creamy foundation. So if you are dry skin like me, it's amazing for us. But I don't think if you're oily, this will be good for you, because as you can see, I look really dewy as it is right now. So now we're going to move on to highlighting and cream contouring. I'm going to start by highlighting my under eyes, my forehead, my nose, and all that good stuff. So today I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is what it looks like right here, and I'm going to be using the shade Tan Sand. So I'm just going to use a little bit, because I know a little bit goes a long way. Just 3 dots like that should do. To help me cream contour today, I'm going to be using my Stila Corrector Stick. This is in the shade Tan, and this is how it looks like right here. I'll use this for my cheeks, right there, my nose, my forehead, my jawline, and there we go. Now I'm just gonna quickly blend that out with my beauty blender. So this is a damp beauty blender right here to make it easy, and I'm gonna blend it to my eyelid as well because I want my eyelid to be a bit bright. I'm just gonna blend the cream contour out now with my Kabuki angled brush. It's a lot easy this way. Always start creasing up and everything. I'm gonna start by setting the under eye concealer, and then we're gonna move on to setting our cream contour. So to help me set my under eye concealer, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced chocolate powder. This is what it looks like, and I am using the shade medium right here. Using this to set my under eye concealer, my nose, my forehead. I just basically try to dry down the oil we have going on right now, because we have a lot of oil going on our face. So to set my cream contour today, I'm also going to be using another Too Faced product. This is the chocolate bronzer, a matte bronzer. I'm using the shade medium dip, and this is how it looks right here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. Love Too Faced packaging, really love the packaging, and this is the shade right there. So now that we're done with the bronzer, I'm going to set the whole of my face, and to help me do that today, I'm going to be using my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. So now guys, I'm going to reach into my Health highlighting powder to highlight and bronze my face. I'm going to quickly set my face, and then we're going to go back to the Health bronzer again, like the highlighting bronzer, to kind of highlight our face. So I'm gonna start by setting my face with my NYX Dewy Finish face spray. This is how it looks like. Shake it a bit, and with that I'm going to be going into my W7 long lasting makeup fixer. Shake it. While my face is still a bit damp, we're going back to the Health highlighting bronzer. I showed you guys, it's a nice gold highlighter, like so. So I'm going to use this to highlight my face a bit more. Ooh, ooh baby, come through. Jewel, keep his bow, the bridge of my nose. Normally use my finger, but today I'm just gonna use my brush, my forehead. So we just can't just leave these eyes like this and just walk out of the house. I'm gonna quickly go into my Too Faced peanut butter and jelly palette. This is how it looks like right here. A lot of neutral colors going on. So I'm gonna reach into this beautiful neutral color as my transition color. In this just right below my crease. Ooh, that is pigmented, man. And then I'm just gonna blend it out quickly. This palette is pigmented, bro. I'm gonna grab this pinkish kind of blush right here in the palette. This, I'm gonna be placing this down all over my lid. I'm gonna stop right here. And for mascara today, I'm gonna be using my MAC Volumizing mascara. this is what it looks like right here. Just gonna apply this to my top lashes quickly. So to line my lips, as always, I'm using my primer lip stain. This is a lip stain, but I normally use this to line my lips. I'm gonna be using the cocoa color. And then to fill in the rest of my lip, I go into my Lip Fusion Inflation Lip Gloss. So guys, here is the daytime look right here, all done. I just decided to quickly pop on my earrings since I have my hair all put back today. Got this from AliExpress. If you guys want to know the seller or how much it was, comment in the comment box below. Anyways, now that we are all done with the daytime look, I'm going to show you guys how to convert this into a nighttime look. Instead of, you know, go washing your face and starting from scratch, I'm going to show you guys how I would convert this into a probably a club look or a dinner look, like a nighttime look if you want to go out during the nighttime. So for this nighttime look today, I'm going to be using my Tarte palette. This is how it looks. This is the palette I'm going to be using to convert this look into something wearable for night. I think I might be reaching into my Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadows. I think this color is called Sunset Eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is more like a rose gold color. I'm going to start with my Tarte palette first, and the shade I'm going to be reaching for, I'm going to be picking this dark brown right here from the Tarte palette. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm going to be placing this just below my crease, just to darken it up a bit, like so. We need to be careful because of the eyes that we already did. So the brush I used previously for the orange shade, I'm gonna grab that as well. I'm just gonna use that to smoke this out so it looks a bit smoky and we have a bit of color going on, like so as well. Grabbing that dark brown with this very light hand, and we're gonna be building this up, guys. So we're doing this with light hands. It looks a bit partial, but don't worry, we're gonna be blending this baby out in a bit. And then I'm going to grab that clean brush I was using before to help me make sure everything was blended out evenly, and make sure it's fading up really lightly, like so. I hope that makes sense, guys, explaining this to you guys. I hope I'm making sense, because to me I don't feel like I'm making any sense, but hopefully to you guys I am. So you can dip in it if you want. I want mine to be really dark. So now I'm going to be going back to my Tarte concealer. I'm going to grab just a tiny bit on my brush right here because I want to cut my crease. Now I'm going to be going into my Anastasia single eyeshadow. Like I already told you guys, this is called Sunset. I'm going to be placing this on my lid. Now I'm going back to my top palette and I'm picking up the shade again. This time around we are bringing it in, okay? We're bringing it in and we're going to wing it out as well. Just gonna quickly pop on false lashes, and for my false lashes today I am gonna be using my Pinky Gold false lashes. So this is the lashes I'm gonna be using today right here. I'm gonna pop it on. So for our under eyes, I'm going to my Model Earn gel eyeliner right here. This is a black gel eyeliner. I'm going to be using this to line my waterline. Okay, now that that is all done, I'm going to smoke it out with the brush I used from that brown color from that Tarte palette. I'm going to use the leftover to smoke my under eyes out. I'm going to be grabbing my MAC black eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this to elongate my inner theater area. So going back to my MAC mascara now, I'm going to be applying this to my bottom lashes again. So now that the eyes is all done, we're going to move on to the final step, which is the lips. I'm going to start by applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, the matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Bloodline. So I'm going to stop right here, and in the center of everything I'm going to go in with another Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Naked. So I'm going back to my Tarte palette. This time around I'm going to be picking up this beautiful highlight right here. I'm going to be placing this underneath my brow bone. Guys, this lashes is in the way. I'm just going to apply this there. Give us a bit of shine to the other side as well. So yeah, this is basically what I would wear if I'm going on a night out. This is the finished look right here. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad with the Illamasqua foundation. It actually turned out really nice, giving me a very nice glow from within. Really love it for that. Before we jump into the slow motion, because I know you guys enjoy my slow motion, so I'm gonna be doing like a side-by-side slow motion with the natural look with the night look together. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one then. So we're gonna go straight into the slow motion. Slow motion, and here we go.